Hello guys, this is Jewelyn of Matchcraft Ideas and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see.
First, I made a pattern of our Hello Kitty bag. Then I traced it into our foam sheets. So I'm going to make two pieces of this. In our pattern, I'm going to draw eyes, nose, and her face here. Then we're going to trace it in our canvas. Then this time we're going to trace it in our black foam sheets. Give some a little bit of allowance. I make two pieces of this. Then we're going to paste the eyes and nose. This is the front of our bag, and this one is at the back. Now we're going to make the base of the bag. And it measures 2 inches width. Then cut and set aside. This time I'm going to make ribbon of our Hello Kitty. Then we're going to put our base that we set aside a while back. For our handle, I measured 1 inch width and 24 inches long. And now we're done to our easy way of making Hello Kitty handbag. Thanks guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for my latest update.